After having taken over as the group commander of NCC of the Belgaum group, under which even the Goa state units come, I am here presently to familiarize myself basically, as well as it coincides with the fact that we had the RD parade contingent of ours, both Karnataka and Goa directorate, representing at Delhi and all that, and they have all got back with good laurels for the states of both Karnataka and Goa. And we have a very good representation from Goa. And so I am here today also to felicitate the cadets of Goa who have represented the state and have done a good job and kept the flag of our state also very high. And we look forward to see that these cadets get motivated further and motivate many more cadets to do well, represent the state of Goa and do well and earn laurels for themselves as well when at a national level. When I look at Goa cadets are good, but personally I feel that the state has a lesser representation of NCC by having only 3 units here, and it is widespread. The state is widespread. With my previous experience of being here in Goa earlier, I have realized that it is not spread down to the schools etc. so as to have a large representation, and they really doing very well at this thing. Secondly, I am also given to understand, which over a period of time probably I will interact with the administration as well, that the NCC cadets really do not have a major say, or they do not have much of benefits from being offered by the state government. So we'll try, we need to do our best, we will try, we will interact with people and see that they get, and because these are the future of our country, and firstly we may say country, but then it all starts from our villages, like we have our football teams etc. It all starts from a smaller society to a bigger society, but I'm sure with time we will be able to get more and more students and cadets into the NCC, do well for themselves, get an opportunity to represent the state. There are even options of going abroad which the government provides, and this is what we need to really exploit and give our cadets of Goa an opportunity to go abroad, visit, exchange views and the culture, learn the culture of other countries as well, apart from our own country.
To the NCC cadets, like our cadets go for RDC, All India Thal Sainik Camp, and All India level basis, but they get only 1% mark. A sportsman who goes to an inter-district tournament gets more. A sports person who goes to interstate tournament gets more. For a national gets more marks. Here, when they have to spend minimum of 3 months for the RDC, they get only 1% mark. Absence from the studies is quite a lot. So even if they equate them at the state, national, whatever level the cadet has gone, to those many marks, they would be benefited. Otherwise, they are always at a disadvantage joining NCC. So we should be there to encourage them. To encourage them, we have to